This video is 100% AI generated. Everything from the voice, the images, and the words I'm speaking right now. It was even automatically scheduled and uploaded. How? With AutoShorts.ai. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, effective video planning is essential. AI tools can enhance your content strategy by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity. Start by selecting your niche and defining your target audience. AI can analyze trends and suggest popular topics to ensure your content resonates. Once you have your ideas, you can set up your video specifications using AutoShorts.ai. Choose the language, voice model, and style to align with your brand. The platform will create your first video, which you can preview and edit to perfect your message. Automation takes over from there, scheduling and posting your videos consistently. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your audience engaged with regular content. Plus, the analytics provided by AI will help you refine your strategy based on viewer engagement and preferences. Embrace AI to elevate your content game, making video planning not just easier, but smarter.